Hello, I'm Larissa and this is my son Niall, and today we're going to show you the Google Nest Hub and we'll unbox it together. So I was able to purchase this Google Nest Hub at the Cincinnati Bell store outside the Florence Mall, and they were able to put it on my monthly Cincinnati Bell bill, interest-free at $3.75 a month over 24 months. All right, Niall's going to do the unboxing for us to show how easy this is. So Niall, why don't you go ahead and open that up.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
And that's where we will go next. Okay, so what you want to do is you just want to go to the Play Store. Then you want to search for the Google Home app. Google Home. And then it's this app with the little home thing with the Google colors. Click install. And you just wait for it to install. So, I have now installed the Google Home app, and you just click open, and it says welcome home. Your content and devices are all in one place. Get started. And then I choose my account, my Google account. And then it asks me if I would like to allow some things such as locations, and then it can tell the weather and such. And now what I want to do is I want to set up a Nest Hub. I want to put in my address so that it knows where the Nest Hub is in case you move or whatever, I guess. Okay, so now it gives us a 4-digit code, as you can see. And then if it has the same code there, then you just click yes. Then you agree to the terms of service. Help improve Nest Hub. Automatically share device stats and crash reports with Google to improve everyone's experience. Yes, I'm in, or no thank you. And then you choose a room that it is in. Currently this one is in our living room, I guess. Then you just choose a network, Wi-Fi, remember a password. You can send a password from your phone so you don't have to look at the Wi-Fi box. That's hard. If you agree to all of these conditions, then you can click next, and the device is added. Simple as that. Also, it will ask you to recognize your voice. If you have an Android, this doesn't matter to you because, you know, Hey Google is already on there, so it just takes your voice from there. And I do have an Android. But Apple, I don't know what happens because I don't know. So if you agree to their voice things, then that works. You can choose different voices to choose.
Here to help you throughout your day.
Or you can choose voice 2.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Voice 2 is default, so I guess I'll choose that. And you can link different services if you have them, such as Google Music, Spotify, Pandora, Deezer. You can add your Sirius XM subscription if you have one. It can link to your Netflix, Hulu, CBS, Stars, Sling, and it can Chromecast to different TVs in your house if you want to. You can also add a custom name, so you can call it if you don't like the word living room, you can call it the front room, I guess. So now to finish setting up, it just asks you some things, and so you can change the frames that it shows. So if you have a Google photo gallery that you really like of all your best moments, then you can use that gallery and you can have it as your screen for the Google Home. So I'm just going to do the default art gallery because I don't use Google Photos that much. And you can even choose what things you want to have. So you can have photos, featured photos. You can have art. You would like that.
Yes, I would.
You can have Earth and Space, street art. So I'm just going to have a few of these, and there. You can add a payment method, and besides that, it's completed. Okay, so some people think this right here is a camera, and Google was spying on people. No, that's actually an ambient EQ light sensor that allows the Google Home to automatically adjust to your room's brightness. Google Home actually doesn't have cameras, so it can't spy on you in any way because you can turn the mic
The
off
mic's off. The mic's back on.
with the button at the end, so you don't have to worry about Google spying on you.
So Niall's going to use this Google Nest Hub for remote learning. It's great for remote learning and remote teaching. Some of the same uses, practical uses apply. So some of the things that Niall uses his Google Nest Hub for, things like calendar, right?
Yeah.
Alarms.
Yeah.
And tell us about the timer. So you use it for timer?
For timer? Oh yeah, some of my teachers have a time restraint on some of our works. So I will ask Google, hey Google, set a timer for 10 seconds.
Okay, 10 seconds. And that's starting now.
And then I use the timer, and then I use the time given, and then I finish the work.
Wow, 10 seconds is pretty fast.
Not 10 seconds. That was an
Yeah?
example.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So, YouTube. I know it also works with YouTube, right?
Yeah, if I ask it to play an educational video that the teacher asks us to do, like, hey Google, play a video from Crash Course.
Playing Crash Course videos on YouTube.
Hello, I'm Taylor and welcome to Crash Course Linguistics. Language is everywhere, in old books,
Hey,
and
Google.
new words.
Pause. And there
Very
you
cool.
go.
Very cool. So, well, that concludes our unboxing video, and thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, great deal at Cincinnati Bell.